Are you still manually entering credit card transactions into spreadsheets? Yeah, that ends today. In this video, I'll show you how to fully automate the process, turning any PDF or image of a credit card statement into structured data in CSV file, Google Sheets, or Excel using Dockerizon. No code, no stress. And yes, it works even in bulk as well. You'll also get a 25 euros in free credits to try it out. By the end of this video, your credit card data will basically organize itself. Let's dive in. First, head to the link in the description and sign up for free on the Dockerizon platform. Just enter your email, password, then fill in a few quick details: your name, company, use case, expected volume, and give your project a name. Once you're done, you will receive 25 euros in free credits to explore and start building your flow. After logging in, go to the left menu and click Project Settings, Services. Here you will want to enable two key services: Financial Model, to extract data from your credit card statements, for example PDF, PNG or JPEG, etc. Flow Builder, this is where you'll create your automation. With those turned on, you're ready to go. Now, let's tell Dockerizon what to extract. Go to Financial Model in the left menu and click New Preset. Let's name it Credit Card Statement to CSV for this example. Now enable the components that apply: Financial, Reference Details, Line Items. This preset tells the platform exactly which fields to look for, like transaction dates, vendors, amounts, and totals. Once that's set, just hit Save. Now let's create the actual workflow. Head to the Flow Builder, click New Flow and start from scratch. We'll name this flow Convert Card Statements to CSV. First up, the trigger. Let's use Google Drive, New File. This means whenever you drop a new statement in a folder, the automation kicks in. Connect your Drive account. Select the folder you want and give it a quick test to make sure everything's connected. Click the plus button to add a new component, Financial Document Capture. Now connect it to Dockerizon and select the preset we made earlier, Credit Card Statement to CSV. File, select New File, insert the content and run a test to make sure it pulls the data correctly. To save the data in CSV format, simply add another component, Google Drive, create new file, and set up the following configurations. Connect to Google Drive. For file name, click on Document Capture, Components, Financial, Insert Document Date. Then in the text window, insert components, and in the type window, select CSV. You can choose other formats such as PDF, JSON, XML, etc. For parent folder, select your folder where you want to store the files. Run one final test and you're done. That's it. Now every time a new credit card statement lands into your folder, it gets automatically converted into structured CSV file. You can plug that file into your accounting software, a database, or even Google Sheets and Excel. It's fast, accurate, and 100% automated. Now it's your turn. Try this out with your own credit card statements. If you got a large volume or want help customizing your setup, feel free to book a demo. The team can get you up and running in no time. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more no-code automation guides. And if you got any questions or want to share your flow, drop a comment below and I'd love to hear from you.